Oh, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're joining us from. My God, tonight, rather today is going to be very powerful. All right, today is going to be very powerful. I am excited to be here. If you're excited, also drop your location, your name, where are you joining us from? Drop everything in the chat box. Let's see. This is going to be very powerful. It's going to be brief but powerful. Brief but powerful. Good morning, Joshua. Thank you for last week, Abuja. Good morning, Jim Bliss. Joshua is excited. UT Black is excited also. Good morning, UT. Good morning, Chibu. From Enugu. Amazing. Let's get more people. While we're waiting for that, let me share my screen. While we're waiting for that, let me share my screen. Rua Shifumi, Adibi Ibadan. Good morning. UT Black name is Utibe Iso, Lagos, Nigeria. Amazing. Alright guys, so I'm on this trade currently as we speak. I entered the trade few minutes to 8. Entered the trade few minutes to 8. And what made me enter the trade? Let's go to the markets. From the 4 hours. Remember, price always tells a story, right? Now we are looking at the storyline of price. According to the storyline of price, this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, and a low. Then a high here. Now, price is supposed to give us a higher low, but price now broke below this low. So automatically, let's pause here first. Since price successfully broke below here, it means all these places have become irrelevant to us. All of this past has become irrelevant to us. So we're only focusing on the next phase now, which is from this high that led to this break of structure. So since this place has become irrelevant to us, what I'll try to do here is I'll just mark out this low here. Yeah, I'll just mark out that low. Then according to price action, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high, we have a low, we have a high. Now we expect a new low. Do you understand? Very simple. We expect a new low. It means price is riding its way down here. Alright? So in that case, I would like to mark out this place also. So we have 2 points in the market the price will likely get to. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. Why am I going to 1 hour time frame? Because remember I said price is coming down here. So I want to look at this entire storyline to know where I will join price down here. So I need to expand this particular box. So I'll go and get to the 1 hour to look at it clearer. Okay, so extending it. What have we seen? Liquidity here. Let me show you. High, low, high, low, high, low, high, low, high, low. So price will do another high and another low again because we are in a structural point, all right? Um, now we see liquidity is being grabbed here. Which liquidity the price grab out? This one here. Price grab this liquidity here. Price grab this liquidity here. So this was the liquidity hunt. So let's go to 15 minutes time frame. So on the 15 minutes time frame, since price dragged this liquidity out, it means this has become our new protected high. By protected high, I mean I don't expect price to come there anytime soon. These are protected high. And we're trying to sell. So where are we selling from? Wait for a break of structure. So from this high, we have this low, high, low, high, low, high, low. But now price now broke structure. So this is important. Follow me closely. Price now broke structure. Where did it break structure? Let me expand this place now. Please follow me closely. But I've taught you break of structures. Now, this structure was broken. This low here was broken here. So this is the break of structure. The internal break of structure here. Right? This is the break of structure here. This was where the break of structure occurred. So that confirmed that we are now bearish. Okay? So after break of structure, there will be a second break, which is change of character. After break of structure to the downside, price has gone up to look for entry. Now, why did I want to enter there when price went up? Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. You'll see. No, is it 5 minutes or 15 minutes rather? 15 minutes time frame. So, what confirmed that zone for me, honestly, was before the break of structure, this was the last sell candle. And usually, you mark the body of the sell candle. This was the last sell candle before the break of structure. So, that was my entry. And then price came up there and I entered there. Now, if you want to re-enter, where are you re-entering from? Remember, the price has done break of structure and has gone up. Now, follow me closely. Price will have to come down to break structure second time. Now, that break of structure second time is called change of character to confirm the bearish move. Once that change of character occurs, I mean price closes below this thing, then anywhere price comes up to, you enter and just join price down. And where are we joining price down to? Remember what I showed you? Those two zones. These are our TP1, these are our TP2, because those are the two places that price will likely come and touch. Alright, so where's our stop loss? High here, this high above it. So if you're entering from here, stop loss is above this high. Alright, stop loss above this high. That's like 40 pips. then take profit is this TP1. TP1 is 1:2, and it's definitely going to get there. Then this is TP2. So we have 1:2 and 1:4.7, which is about 1:5. All right. So we have two different entries and exits. We have 1:2 and we have 1:5. 1:2 and 1:2 what? And 1:5. Right. This is it. 1:2 and 1:5. So it's almost like it's a very good trade. All right. Need to look for a way to take advantage of it. And how do you take advantage of it right now? Because prices are moving. So what you want to do is to wait. Now, if you are waiting and entering on the change of character, your stop loss will reduce. Will reduce from this high to this place here. To this place here above this high. So let me show you what I mean. Let's assume the price closes below, comes up, and we enter here. Alright, still to the same take profits. But now our stop loss will become entry here. Stop loss will be above this high here, which is like 16 pips. Now take profit will be here. TP1 will be giving us 1:4.6, which is about 1:5. Alright. So if you're entering on the change of character, you don't need to use your high. You don't need to use that high as your take profit. If you're entering on the new level, you don't need to use the high as the take profit. If you're entering on the change of character, this high doesn't need to be your take profit. Take profits can be just around here. Alright. That's for those that are entering after confirmation. So if you're using confirmation entry, then you're good. Now, use confirmation entry. You wait for price to break below this zone here. This zone here, you want to see a change of character. You want to see what? Change of character. That's what you want to see. Already, price has done how many pips now? 14 pips. It should have done 20 pips before we get the new entry. Okay? So already price has done 14 pips. And it's 8 a.m. Monday morning. So usually markets will do something good for us. Like it will actually move. It will actually move. So you just want to be on the right place and make money together. Alright, price is coming heavily to the change of character. Once it breaks it and forms the change of character, we'll just wait for the closest re-entry zone and we enter. And where's the closest re-entry zone? I would like this place here, this last bullish candle. This place now is where I would like to enter from. 50% of it. Honestly, that's where I would like to enter from. So 50% of it, that will be giving us about 1.33300. 1.33300. So I've set in another pending order there at 1.33300 so that we can enter the market together when price comes there. You understand what I'm saying? So the entry, let me call it out. Entry GBP USD sell. Entry 1.33300. SL Stop loss is gonna be, this is 20 pips. 3,300 will be 3,500. Um, take profits is gonna be 32480. It's 2 pips, 32480. 1.32480. 82 pips. Risk to reward is 1 is to 2.02. One is to 4.1. So price has broken below, but it has not closed on it. So let's wait for it to close on it and come back up for us. So I've shared it with the Telegram also, so everybody can eat and be happy. But let me ask you, do you guys understand what I have explained so far? Do you understand what I've explained so far? If you do, put 555 in the chat box. If you don't, and your reason is because you're still new, put 111. And if you're not new but you don't understand, put 222. You're not new to Forex, but you don't understand what I explained, put 222. You are new to Forex, so you don't understand, put 111. You understand, put 555. Everybody saying 555. Okay. It's okay. You see, Black, you are not new to Forex, but you don't understand. What don't you understand? Duchy Favor, you are new to Forex, so you don't understand. That's okay. Just rewatch this class over time. Watch it like 5, 6, 7, 10 times. That's normal. But if you are old to Forex and you don't understand, 2222. So price has not broken it. It's just what's the word? Let me zoom out so that you see it clearly. See, price has not broken it though. Just tapped it. We need it to close below. If not, it's not valid. We need it to close below. So this is the trade I want all of us to observe today. I don't want to box you with too many trades. Later in the week I'll share some trades with the VIP. But I'm looking at GJ, I'm looking at EJ, I'm looking at gold, I'm looking at, let me confirm the last one. I'm looking at Euro AUD, I'm looking at Euro JPY, I'm looking at gold, I'm looking at UEB JPY. Those four, I have my eyes on them. I've been seeing good setups on them, so I will likely share with the VIP this week. So I mean, you can join the VIP. It's just $50, nothing more. Just $50. So in the next 49 seconds or 40 something seconds, the price closes below this place, then the value change of character. And upon the retest, we'll be looking at selling. Once price breaks below, closes below it, that's broken, it has not closed yet. In the next 30 seconds, it should close. So I'm waiting. I just want to see it close, and I'll tell everybody what to do, and we'll end the class. Thank you. So price has closed below. Since price has closed below, in the next, few minutes, price will find its way up and factor us in. I will all be happy. So our entry is 33300. I mean, 33300. Yeah. Um, if not that, then let's say 50% of this movement. 50% of this movement. That is 33225. Let me enter. It's not for everybody, just for me. Let me set another pending order. Sell limit 33225. Stop loss is 33500. TP is 32480. You see, price is making its way up. I told you guys, man. All right, so we expect price to make us happy today. The Lord will help us. The Lord will guide us in the name of Jesus. Amen. I think that will be all from me today. See you guys at the top. Euro card? No. I have my eyes on Euro AUD actually. I've not looked at Euro card, but we can look at it together maybe later. For now, I need to freshen up and I need to run out. I need to get to the office. Uh, and from the drive from here to the office is like 2 hours. With Lagos traffic, let's say 3 hours with Lagos traffic. But if I'm using the convoy, then I think you should cut time. Maybe I'll call them. I don't know. Maybe call the police so that they can come and clear the road as we are going. Because I need to get to the office early enough. Oh, I'm on the mainland right now as we speak. Anyway, see you guys at the top, not from the top. Because like I always tell you, the bottom is crowded. There's space for you at the top. Don't let anybody deceive you. There has always been space and there will always be space at the top. Like there will never not be space. There will never not be space. There's always space. All right. I love you deeply and God bless you. Bye.